So we take a deep breath. We close our outer eyes and open our inner awareness to a time of meditation, to a moment of healing. Stepping apart for a while, simply breathing into this moment of creation, breathing into the now. Allowing ourselves the time and the space to turn inward, to breathe. There is one presence and one power. It is active in this life I call my life. This life that is the animating faculty of all life, all existence. There is no separation in this energy, in this spirit, in this presence. There is only love. So we inhale and exhale collectively into this love that is the fabric of our being. Spending some time this morning to open our hearts and our minds to the resurrection within. What is the resurrection within you, calling to you this Easter? Where is it in life that you may have given up hope? You may feel disconnected. Maybe something happened and you feel like you lost your peace. Maybe a part of life feels incomplete. Maybe there is some struggle or a suffering. Known only to you. That you're ready to cross out. That you're called to lift into the light. To allow the wholeness of your being to be resurrected in this moment, in this sacred time. To truly know that regardless of outer circumstances, there is a deep inner wholeness that can never be disturbed or diminished. It cannot be taken away. So in the sacred silence, we simply allow ourselves to be fully present to what is here for us this day. Breathing into the pure presence of peace. We remember who we are. We allow ourselves to fully embrace our divine nature and our humanity. Allowing the rebirth, the essence of spring, and the resurrection of consciousness to be born in us as individuals and as a collective. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations and the embodiment of this love. May all beings know they are born blessed. Namaste.